Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget. I'm so glad you've decided to join me today. I'm at East Park Mall, which is one of the biggest malls in Zambia, and let's go shopping for some stuff, and then I will give you an update on what's been going on my property here in Zambia. I love coming here. You can find all kinds of little things here. Look at these earrings. So many earrings, but I'm always looking for more. It's gorgeous.
They are made out of banana leaves, huh? See? To show how people live to the village.
They are made out of banana leaves, can I say?
Yeah.
Wow. How much are they?
The smaller ones I'll just give you for 150.
150 and
I have the big ones. Let me show you.
the big ones. No, I can see them. It's
Yeah,
okay.
so that you show them those plates. They're 250.
Oh, that's
soft dishes.
beautiful. I'm showing my friends so they can come and buy from you.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're coming today?
I don't know. Yeah, just giving them ideas. Look at this. Wow. Hello. This is the type of fabric I love. What type of fabric is this?
This is mix and match. Kenta gold.
Kenta gold. How much is this?
It's 350.
It's 6 meters?
Yes, this is 6 meters.
This is beautiful. Have to save some money for it. Look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. How much are the necklaces? Oh, these are beautiful.
Very beautiful.
So, do you make them yourself? An old lady. Wow. I like this one. Orange. I know. I don't have the money. The dresses. Okay. So what is this made out of?
This is a goat.
Goat?
For the
Goat hide?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How much is this?
That one is 400.
Oh, this is beautiful. Can I see inside, please?
Only 2 left.
Only two left.
2 left, yes. They're all
They are selling fast, eh?
Yes, they are going. People, especially the boys, they like them very much.
Yeah, this is good
The
for a
boys,
guy.
they like them very, very much. Even the other one said maybe tomorrow
What's this inside?
No, it's just the material.
Or do you just add some fabric
Yes,
to make it?
to look smart.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Nice.
Wow. And somebody you know makes these as well?
I lost the phone.
Oh, really?
So
You have to look for them.
Yes,
I mean, you are selling them so well. So
and even this, you make for me this.
okay.
Me, I make the bags.
You make the bags.
Yes, and this one.
So nice. How much are the bags? 150 for the bags. Yeah. I grew up in the village in Kasempa.
That's nice.
Yeah, so my grandmother used to make these.
Oh, that's nice.
How much are the baskets?
The basket, it depends. Like that
This one, the orange, yeah,
that
that
one 150, then the little one 40 kwacha.
40 kwacha. Oh, I have to come back. Oh, look at this. Look at this painting. Wow. Hello. Hi. How much is this one? The painting? 750. It's beautiful. I'm showing my friends so they can come to buy from you.
There's another design here.
There's another one. These ones here.
And that one.
Oh my goodness. Who makes these?
My uncle.
Really? Where does it stay?
Copper belt.
Copper belt. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. How much is this one at the top? 750. Wow. I need to save up and come back. I've never seen anything like this. There's an artist by the name of Thomas Kincaid. I think he was American, yeah. He used to make stuff like this. Just very vibrant colors. Yeah. I'm advertising your shop so people can come to you. This is beautiful. Okay. What's your name?
I'm Betha.
Betha, I'll be back. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How much are these?
These are going for 650. Last
650. I see. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, please be sure to share it with somebody and give it a like. So this is the beginning of the kitchen unit. Okay, so it's just fisher board at the bottom.
Yeah.
And then what do we have? That's the, what do you call the plastic again?
Yeah, PV dump course.
Okay. All right. Even though it's not fully covered, it's okay.
Yeah, no, it's fine because we just have to cover those walls so that the concrete might not fall down.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see what you're doing. I see. Okay. have there?
Here we are just doing 2 wheelbars, 2 wheelbars and half, 1 bag.
Or 2 wheelbar and a half of quarry mixed with
With
stone,
stones, yeah.
and then one bag
super set, yeah.
of super set. Excellent.
Do that.
Here's today's work. It's a bit dark, hope you can see. So Charles has decided not to come back for another week, and I want this shuttering removed. Is there anything delicate about it that I should be careful with, or can I just have Edwin remove these nails and we clean up? Yeah, because this is a kitchen that I'm using, and he was supposed to come back a few days ago and then rescheduled to today, and he says he won't be here until Friday, which is too long to keep all of this like this. So please give me some guidance. Is this something I should attempt to remove with Edwin or not? Today is about to start pouring the top concrete. This is the exciting work so far in the kitchen. The power just came back, so I can show you. They're going to be working on the rest of the unit, and they already started on the floor here. So something happened over there. I'm not sure what the explanation is as to why they didn't do that part. But there's progress. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and in the meantime, God bless you.